Hey guys, this is Abhishek from Technicspedia, and today we have the Samsung Note 8 with us. We're just going to do the benchmarking for this particular device. We have already run some of the benchmark and some of them we will run right now. Quadrant benchmark. So if we run the full benchmark over here. System information on Samsung Note 8. You have the device information over here, and you have the SDK information and the processor. As you can see, it is an ARM V7 processor, and the current frequency is this much. And if we talk about the hardware, you have other details about memory as well. And if we take a look over here, the display resolution is 800 into 1280, as you can see. The refresh rate is 60 Hz, whereas you have a Mali 400 MP GPU on this device. And here you have the sensor information. It has the accelerometer sensor, magnetic sensor, orientation sensor, light sensor, proximity sensor, and the auto rotation sensor. We have also ran the Nina Mark previously, and we have got a score of 38.6 FPS, which is quite good. And if I go back and show you the score of the Antutu benchmark, we also ran the Antutu benchmark, and we have got 12,988, and we have ran this test when there was no application running on this particular device. If we take a look over the chart, you have the chart, and here is the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, which lies just below HTC One X Plus. So we have installed the multi-touch tester on Samsung Note 8, and let me just test the overall multi-touch capabilities of this device. So it does support 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is okay. So as you can see, it supports 10-point multi-touch input as far as the display is concerned. We'll keep you updated whenever this device comes to India, and do let us know if you have any questions related to this device. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.